Hi, my name is Markiplier, and today I'm going to be telling you all about the wonderful world of slime. Now, slime is all the rage these days. The kids love it. They're making it in their backyards and their basements, all by their lonesome. And I wanted to share with you my very own recipe for slime. All you'll need are a few simple ingredients you can get at any department store. You've got Elmer's glue, shaving cream, the special ingredient borax, and some warm water. Now, these ingredients combine to do a wonderful concoction, make the wondrous material of slime. And it's as simple as this. You start out with some regular old glue. Pour that bad boy into a bowl. Now, if this is taking too long and you're not getting enough volume out of your squirt, just pop the lid off and pour that bad boy right in. Now, that's a nice glob. How about a little for daddy? You're gonna need about this much glue. All right, makes sense? Now, once you're done with the glue, then you move on to the shaving cream. Now, it needs to be thick and foamy. The foamier your cream additive, the more foamy the slime will be. Now, you just take it, shake it up real good like, and blend. You got yourself some slime. How about a little for Beepus? Chica, come here. Hey, come on. That's good. Good girl. Good girl. All right, we got our two ingredients here. We just need to add a little bit of what's called borax, which has a bonding agent called boric acid. Once you put that in there, you don't need a lot, just enough to give it a nice dusting. And hopefully this doesn't combust, which would be amazing. Ordinarily, you would use a spoon for this because this is going to be extremely caustic to your hand. It's these ingredients, when they're mixing together, they're extremely acidic, so it's not recommended that you use your hand to mix it. That's really coming together. All right, now that's a good consistency right there. Very malleable. If your ratio is a little off, just feel free to add or remove as necessary. Now, the last step, in order to appease the dark gods, is you need to take your knife. Any old knife will do, even a kitchen knife, so long as it's sharp enough. And then just cut the center of your palm and let that seep into the concoction while you whisper the words of power very tenderly.
They shall rise. They shall consume. All will be lost when they rise from the darkness of the ocean. Madness opens up everything.
And then you have your slime. Some nice, foamy, slimy substance. Look at that. It's so fun. That's good stuff right there. All right, so there you have it. You have some lovely slime for your whole family to enjoy, and we all get to enjoy 3 years of peace before the dark gods consume us all. Thanks again for watching. My name has been Markiplier, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye! Now, you may be wondering how these ingredients can combine together into the ectoplasmic nature of slime. Well, it's as simple as mixing them together. I'm gonna start all that over again. The kids are all about slime these days. It's not just about dabbing. I hate myself. Now, you may be asking yourself, what is slime? Or is it pronounced slime? No, it's not. Fuck. Hi.
Be funny!
Shut up! I got this. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to tell you to shut up. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. Now, if you don't know about slime or haven't watched Nickelodeon in the past 20 years, it's all the rave with the kids these days. They're making it for themselves in their own backyards, in RVs out in the middle of the desert.
All the rave or all the rage?
Kill me. Just kill me. Straight up kill me.